Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add or import a calendar to Outlook 365. Whether you want to keep your work schedule organized, sync a school calendar, connect to Google Calendar, or import events from another app, Outlook makes the process pretty simple once you know where to look. So let's jump right into it. The first thing you want to do is open Outlook on your computer or open Outlook in your web browser. Once Outlook loads, sign in using your Microsoft account if you haven't already. After signing in, you'll arrive at the main Outlook dashboard where you can manage your emails, calendar, contacts, and more. Now look toward the left side navigation menu and click on the calendar icon. This will open the Outlook calendar section. Inside the calendar view, move over to the left sidebar. Scroll down a little until you find the Add Calendar option. Click on it. Once you click Add Calendar, Outlook will show you different ways to add a calendar. In the new Outlook version, the two most common options are Subscribe from Web and Upload from File. Both methods are useful, but they work differently. Let's start with Subscribe from Web. If you click this option, Outlook will ask you for a calendar URL or web link. This is useful if you want Outlook to stay synced with an online calendar automatically. For example, many people use this to connect Google Calendar, school calendars, team schedules, holiday calendars, sports event calendars, and more. Simply paste the calendar link into the box provided. After that, Outlook may ask you to enter a calendar name or choose a color for the calendar. Once everything looks good, click Import. Now let's look at the second method, which is Upload from File. This option is perfect if you already have a calendar file saved on your computer. For example, maybe you exported a calendar from another email service or downloaded an event schedule online. Click Upload from File. Then click Browse. Locate the calendar file on your computer and select it. Most calendar files are usually in ICS format. After selecting the file, Outlook will ask you where you want to place the imported events. You can add them to your existing calendar or create a separate calendar to keep everything organized. Choose whichever option works best for you. Then click Import. Outlook will now upload the calendar events into your account. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Quick step summary. 1. Open Outlook and sign in. 2. Click the calendar icon. 3. Select Add Calendar. 4. Choose Subscribe from Web or Upload from File. 5. Add the calendar link or select the calendar file. 6. Click Import or Add. 7. Refresh Outlook if needed. See you next time.